Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, we are given the values. A is equal to 0.1 millimeter, which is equal to 0.1 into 10 raised to 3 minus 3 meters. Capital R is taken as 10 meters and Y3 is 9.6 centimeter, which is 9.6 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Since we got the position of the third dark fringe, sin theta 3 is equal to m lambda divided by a, where m is equal to 3. Thus, lambda is equal to a into sin theta 3 divided by m, which is thus equal to a by 3 into sin theta 3. Since sin theta 3 equal to y3 by r, where y3 is the distance from the slit to the third dark fringe, implies tan theta 3 is equal to y3 divided by capital R. Thus, theta 3 is equal to tan inverse of y3 by capital R. On substituting the value, tan inverse of 9.6 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 10, which implies theta 3 is equal to 0.55. Substituting this value of theta 3 into the expression of lambda equal to a by 3 sin theta 3, we get a by 3 into sin 0.55. A is equal to 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 3 into sin 0.55. On solving this, we will obtain the value of wavelength lambda as 3.1997 into 10 raised to minus 7 meters, which can be written as 319.97 into 10 raised to minus 9 meters, which is thus obtained as 319.97 nanometer and approximate to 320 nanometer. I hope the solution is clear. Thank you.